Welcome all to our new video. We will learn about geometry. From where the word geometry came from. It came from two Latin words, geo and metron. Geo means earth and metron means measures. So geometry means measures of earth. The concept of geometry was used in the measurement of land in earlier times. Today, the concept of geometry is used in a much wider sense. For example, in architecture, designing, engineering, space, irrigation, etc. Now let us see the fundamental geometrical concepts. Point, line, line segment and ray are the fundamental geometrical concepts. Let us see one by one. First one, point. What is a point? Point has no length, no width and no thickness. A fine dot made by a sharp pencil on a sheet of paper is an example of a point. A point is represented by a dot and name it by capital letter. It shows a particular place on a plane. Next one, line. What do you mean by line? A line has only length and no breadth or thickness. It is represented by indicating 2 points on it with the help of 2 capital letters of the English alphabet with arrowheads and is written as line AB. Line AB we can extend to both sides. It has length but we cannot measure the length of a line. It will go infinitely to both sides. How much we want, that much we can extend. That arrowheads indicating that both sides are going infinitely. Next one, line segment. What do you mean by line segment? A part of a line with the 2 fixed points as endpoints is called a line segment. What do you mean by a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line with 2 fixed points as endpoints is called a line segment. Line segment has a fixed length. We can measure how much is the length of a line segment and it is denoted by line segment AB. Note that only one line can be drawn passing through 2 given points. Next one, ray. What do you mean by ray? A ray is a part of a line having one fixed point which extends endlessly only in one direction. So a ray will start from a point and the other end will go infinitely. The starting point is called initial point or fixed point and an arrow is put on the extended part. Some examples, sun rays. The rays of the sun starting from the sun. So it have a starting point and the other end going infinitely is an example for ray. Next example, light from a bulb. The rays start from the bulb and the other end going infinitely. Next one, light from the headlight of a car. It has a definite starting point. From that headlight, the light is starting and the other end is going infinitely. So hope the ray is clear for all. Next we will see the difference between a line, a ray and a line segment. First one related to endpoint. Line has no endpoint. Ray has one endpoint. Line segment has two endpoints. Next, related to length. Line does not have a definite length. Ray also does not have a definite length, but a line segment has definite length. We are not able to measure the length of a line and ray, but we can measure the length of a line segment. Hope the differences between a line, ray and a line segment is clear for all. Thank you.